Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you all are extremely fine. Today I'm going to give you a very quick review of my little antis garden. This is the wall where I have planted all the bottle planters, and this PVC pipe planter is made by me. I have given its video link in the description box. You can have a look on that video. These are all double petunias. These are pansies and petunias. The spider plants are growing in bottles perfectly. This is the bush I bought yesterday. I really don't know its name, but it is going to be planted in the carry outside my house. This is a rose climber. Take a look at the flowers. How beautiful they look, and it has added a very pleasant look of my entrance. It is growing taller day by day. At first it was placed at the backyard of my house. Now I have put it here at the front yard, and now I think I'm going to make some arrangements to make it climb over the roof. I don't know how I'm going to do this, but I have to do this. This is the corner where I have placed all the pennywort plants because they need a lot of water, and I have to water them in the morning and in the evening as well. This is turtle vine and English ivy. This is baby tear plant, and this one also a baby tear plant. I have propagated them from a mother plant, and these are growing very nicely in bottles. This corner I have allotted for pennywort. No other plant is placed here because they need a lot of water. And this is baby sunrose and fish hook plant. You can see in the black pot, and it is growing very nicely. This is a Swedish ivy, and I have bought a very small cutting of it, but now it is very beautifully growing. And this is another ivy in black pot, and these are asparagus and spider plants, baby spider plants. I have planted on all these black nursery pots. This is Erica palm, and this is my Shafrella plant. This is curry pata, and it is flowering these days. I have to pinch the flowers so that it stop making the seeds and the plant gets bushier and healthier. This corner is partially shaded, so my colliers are growing very nicely and in this area. This is my lemon plant. You can see a very small lemon on this. This is the rose cuttings, and a single paniri of petunia is over there. And this is a chandni plant. It was in dormant condition during summers. Now it has started budding again. And this is my rose plant. It is also going to start flowering. This is a bushy kind of plant. I really don't know its name. If you know, please comment below. This is my golden hatch flower plant. This is a 7-year-old plant, and I have to change the pot of it. But this season is not good for repotting because it is hot these days. So I will repot it in mid of July. This is the rose climber, you can see, and here are my small cute pelts, and it has added some colors to my garden. This is my bottle garden, vertical garden. Here I have given an attempt to make a bonsai out of jade, so I will share it once it is done perfectly. And this is my cactus and succulents, and a small spider plant is placed over it. If you like the video, please do like and comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.